Hey, what's going on, everyone? So for tomorrow, I mean, I kind of am thinking that we might be a good idea to take the day off. But if you just have to, have something going, SPWH has the best probability according to Fidelity, of course, and Sol does as well. Everything else looks pretty awful, like it's gonna just try and consolidate around where it's currently at. But as far as Sol, you got about a 60-40% chance. I'm sorry, SPWH is a 60-40% chance, and then with Sol. Looking like about the same, just about the same, slightly less, about a 57-42. But I mean, that's basically what looks good to me for tomorrow. Other than that, I mean, I'm considering not trading, just kind of maybe keeping an eye out for some early position setting for Monday's plays. Even though there's only two earnings tomorrow, so Monday should be the day. We have a brand new week. So just be careful on Fridays trading options because you know how that goes. So, anyways, SPWH and SOL is what I'm looking at tomorrow.